Hello and hi everyone. Welcome to Raman Tutorials. The verb is one of the most important part of the English grammar. It is one of the most basic things. But do you know what exactly is verb? In this lesson, we will discuss all about verbs. Verb is the main part of the sentence. A verb is a word that expresses an action. Verb also expresses the state or situation of the subject. Now let's see what's a dynamic or action verb. A verb tells us about an action is called action verb or dynamic verb. Verb which tells about an action of the subject is called action verb or dynamic verb. In other words, action verb expresses physical activity or processes of the subject. So here there are two examples. Mina plays hockey. In the first sentence, Mina plays hockey. Mina is subject here and plays is action here. In the second sentence, Ram is subject and teaches is the action that takes place here. So here plays and teaches are action verbs or dynamic verbs because they expresses physical activity or processes. Now let's see what is a stative verb. Stative verb do not show physical action or process. Stative verb is used to describe the state or situation of the subject. Stative verb describe a state. For example, I'm a girl, or situation, I have 3 kids. It also describe mental or emotional state of the subject. Mental or emotional state of the subject. A static verb cannot be used in the continuous tense. And here are examples include be, have, like, seem, prefer, understand, belong, doubt, hate and know are some of the examples of stative verbs. So let us see few examples to understand it. I like chocolate. Suresh believes in black magic. Ram has 3 brothers. I understand your problem. Here in this 4 sentences, like, believes, has and understand are stative verbs because they are not doing any physical activity or action. These sentences just give you some information about the subject. Yes, is it clear? And these sentences, stative verbs are used in simple tense and they cannot be used in continuous tense. For example, I said they cannot be used in the continuous tenses. I like chocolate. So here you cannot tell I am liking chocolate. So it's wrong to tell I'm liking chocolate since it is a stative verb. So stative verb should be used only in simple tense. Suresh believes in magic. So you cannot tell Suresh is believing in black magic or Suresh was believing in black magic. And Ram has 3 brothers. Ram is having 3 brothers. So it is wrong to tell Ram is having 3 brothers. I understand your problem. So if you say I am understanding your problem, it's wrong. The statement is wrong because stative verbs should be used only in simple tense and it cannot be used in continuous tense. Verbs are of two kinds, main verb and main verb is also called action verb. Example, come, go, sit, stand, write. Main verbs are the words that actually shows the action or subject of activity of subject. Note down. They can stand down without the help of any other verbs. Main verbs are also called lexical verbs, principal verb or full verb. Yes. And main verb shows the main action of the subject. And main verb will come right after the subject. So this is Sachin is a subject and played is a verb. Main verb will come right after the subject. So after subject you'll get main verb. So let's see two examples. Sachin played cricket. Sachin is subject in the sentence. And what is the action performed by Sachin in the sentence? Played. So played is a main verb. And subject Sachin is completing the action. Okay. So who is completing the action here? Subject Sachin. In the next sentence, Sana baked cookies. In second sentence, baked is the main action of the subject. Baked. So here, played and baked are main verbs. Okay, I'll give you one more example. The sun shines. Sun is a noun and shines is a verb. And there is only one verb in the sentence. And it can stand independently without the support of other verb and provides complete meaning to the sentence. Yes. See here. Sachin is playing cricket. So in the sentence there are two verbs, is and playing. Okay, so here playing is considered as main verb, playing is main verb and his is helping verb. We have the example, Ram is a boy. So in the sentence there is no main verb and is a helping verb. So since there is no main verb, is itself is considered as main verb. Is it clear? Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is also known as helping verb. They give more meaning to main verbs. They cannot stand alone. They need to be paired with main verb in order to communicate. An auxiliary verb or helping verb is used with the main verb to express the main verb's tense, mood or voice. If someone asks you, why do we use auxiliary verb? So this is the answer. We use auxiliary verb to express main verb's tense, mood or voice. Yes, is it clear? I'll give you one example here. Sana will. So will is a modal auxiliary. Sana will. Does the statement convey any meaning about Sana? No, it doesn't. I'll add here come. Now look at the sentence. It gives complete meaning. So auxiliary verbs, they cannot stand independently. They need to be paired with main verb to give complete meaning to the sentence. Yes? And I said y'all, auxiliary verbs, with auxiliary verbs, you can write sentences in different tense. See a different tense, mood, voice, or even you can write interrogative and negative questions. Here see, He was playing hockey. Okay, so we can change the sentence into any tenses by using auxiliary verb. See, if I use he is playing, it becomes present continuous tense. Okay, and next example, hockey was being played by him. So the sentence is in passive voice. Auxiliary verb help to change active voice into passive voice. For example, Ram is playing hockey. How will you change? So you're using Ram is being, hockey is being played by Ram. Okay. Ram was playing hockey. He was playing hockey. Hockey was being played by him. And auxiliary verb is also used to ask interrogative question and also negative questions. Primary auxiliaries. So there are two kinds of auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries, there are be forms, have forms and do forms. Am, is, are, was, were are be forms. Have, has, had are have forms. Do, does, did are do forms. And modal auxiliaries. So modal auxiliaries is a type of auxiliary that is used to express ability, possibility, permission or obligation. For example, see, all these are modal auxiliaries. Shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, might, out, need, dare. I can swim. So this sentence express ability. And next, they may come. Again, the sentence express possibility. Okay. So here, main verbs are of two kinds. Regular verb are also known as weak verbs, and irregular verbs, strong verbs. So let's see what is a regular verb. So regular verb is a verb that when conjugated follows a regular pattern. Regular verbs add D or ED to form the past tense or past participle. Okay. So here, see here, arrive, arrived. Appoint, appointed, convert, converted. Okay. So in order to change regular verbs to past tense, you can use D or ED. Yes. And next, irregular verbs. Irregular verbs is a verb when conjugated does not follow a regular pattern in the past tense or past participle conjugations. Example, you can see here, swim. So you cannot say swimmed. You cannot add here D or ED. It is swam and swun. Speak, spoke, spoken. Win, won, won. They have different past forms. Okay. And there are some verbs which have the same form in the present, past and past participle. For example, here, it's bet, cut, hit, put, shut. Okay. So here, these verbs have the same form in present, past and past participle. Now you cannot tell I cutted it, or I hitted him, or I putted it in dustbin, or I shutted the door. Okay, so these verbs are the same forms, have same forms in present, past and past participle. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.